So what is up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I want to show you guys how to go out and actually download videos from TikTok for 100% free. Okay, so this will not include any software that you can download. To be sure and to make you understand that most of these softwares that you will find for free to download videos from YouTube or TikTok or any other video platform is loaded with malware and viruses, and many of them require you to actually deactivate your antivirus so you can install them. I do believe wholeheartedly that if a program is legit, they would not allow you, they would not need you to switch off your antivirus to use their software. So without further ado, let's get into this video. If you like videos of free softwares, downloads and tutorials, then subscribe to my channel or check out any of my older uploads, as they will all provide immense value to you in your online business. Okay, so if you want to download this from TikTok, firstly you need a TikTok account. You don't actually need a TikTok account because I don't have one. I just scroll through the app, but for more features on TikTok you actually maybe need to create an account, such as the search feature, which I do not have here. Okay, and secondly, there may be secondly, there may also be copyrighted music within some of these TikTok videos, so you need to be careful what you download, especially if you want to use them within your YouTube videos to give them a certain flair or spunk or create a certain atmosphere for your videos. Just be careful when you do download these videos from TikTok. Okay, so first thing you will need to do is actually go over to Google and search the following site called snaptik.app. Okay, snaptik.app. It's 100% free to download TikTok videos with them. They are an online video downloader for TikTok. Then you need to go over back to TikTok and search the video you want. For example, I'll be taking this video here. Well, let me change it up. I'll choose this video here. You right click the video as I just did and select copy link location. Go back over to Snaptik. Okay, and in the TikTok downloader without watermark, free or devices, just paste it in the bar right there and click the download button. It will start rendering. Okay, if it says error token, maybe just restart, just refresh. So I will paste the video in there again. Let's see if it does the job. As you can see, the bars going up, and now it will give you servers to download for the video from. I will choose server 1, and currently it's downloading. Okay, so the second one will be tttdownloader.com, which is the second site we are going to use. Okay, once again we need to go back to TikTok. We just follow the same protocol we did before, is to copy the link location. So we go to TTT downloader, paste the video link right here in the bar and select get video. Now what's great about these two sites is that they give you the option to not actually have a watermark on your video. Just refresh here. I've actually just tested these out to see if they still work. Okay, let's see. It's pasted once again. Select get video. Another way these websites support their servers is actually by putting up a ton of ads. Okay, so it gives you the option to download with no watermark. I'm gonna close the new tab that opened. Okay, and it's almost complete. Still waiting for the download. Okay, so both of these downloads have finished. Now we are going to check out if they actually gave us the videos without watermark. Okay, so we're going to test the first video from Snaptic. Okay, so it doesn't have any watermarks. Now we're going to test the second video from TTT Downloader. And also no watermark. Okay, so as you can see that these two tools actually do work. So if you need to download videos from TikTok without a watermark, you'll need to come over to these two sites. Okay, if one doesn't work or gives you trouble, try the other one. The first one again will be snaptic.app, link on the screen. Okay, and then ttdownloader.com, link also on the screen. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video, guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the like button. Also consider subscribing to the channel, as it does motivate me to actually go out and do more tutorials for you guys. Okay, and find free softwares that may be helpful for you in your online journey. Okay, but that's all from me, guys. I'll see you guys in the next one, and goodbye.